Hi guys, and today I'm using my voice. So yeah, this is my first time, and my computer's kind of lagging. But um, yeah. So today I'm just getting better every day because I'm just stuff like this. And one day I'm gonna let y'all create one. Just pick one of these animals I have, and then I'm gonna redo it. But for now, I'm going to try to do these videos with my voice, but in like when I get to about 100 subscribers, I'm going to do my face. But just to be warned, my voice is like this because I'm sick. I am sick. Okay, so um, I'm going to show you. Don't look at that. Okay, this is my cousin Puppy Lover 7788. Um, yeah, she's not trying to cooperate. But I will show you a picture of me. The best picture I've taken. That's me. I'm not gonna show you my name, but that's me. Yeah, so that's me. Yeah, I'm awesome. Um, I don't know what I'm mixed with actually. I don't know what I'm mixed with. But you see how white my hair color is? It's because of it. Because when I first got that, it actually was that color. So sometimes I prank people and they have my like I'm Twinkle because I do this. Because I do this. Like, I go in here. Yeah. And it doesn't just go around and have us like some Twinkle. Yeah. So yeah. Um. So, anyway. Yeah. Okay. Do that. Okay. So anyway. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. So I am going to, if I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to show you how I look. So yeah, and please subscribe to my person. If you see me on Adam Jam, and sometimes she does on account, but here I can sales good. I can't see it. But let me log on. Not talking about that. Yeah. Okay. So my channel. Yeah. Come on. Okay. So. Oh, this is my friend. Night Sky. That's my friend. Please subscribe to her. She got some 12. Got 6. Some of my sisters tried to hit one girl. There's my friend. See that my sister did this one. My sister did that. I used that because I was on my desktop, so I'm gonna do a redo of this one. And she subscribed. Um, I think it was this. This is what I got on yeah, here. Okay. Okay. So this is her account. Well, she used her brother's. Yeah, she looks at this. I'm like, don't look at that. But some of her brothers, she does that. Like, she loves Minecraft, and she has Minecraft on her Xbox. And I'm going to subscribe to her, I hope. Oh, okay. So, now let's start. Okay, so, okay, anyway. So that's all for today. I hope you guys had enough time with my voice, especially you. Yeah, wait. Wrong one. Yeah, okay. So, I was scared of but still. Okay, so, she asked me. So, please subscribe to her. I showed you what it was. It was one girl agent. I did not do that. Um, it was one girl agent. That's why it's not pictures of that. So, yeah. So, that's all for today.